se goza mucho con pachanga. Pachanga. En Colombia se goza.
They're just jealous. Welcome to another exciting episode of Guns and Chicken Strips. I'm your host, James. What's happening? We're out here on another part of the Trinity River on the west side of Fort Worth this time. The other side was like the northeast side. Now on the west side. We're gearing up, boot scooting, boogieing, you know, the huge. Gonna go try to get on some carp. It's Thursday in the PM. It's been pouring rain out here. Smells like dead fish everywhere. Lunkers is all geared up from the feet up as always. And guess what, people? You're gonna notice that I upgraded my audio and you're gonna love it. So let's get out there on the river. Get on that head thong action. Do you think we're gonna catch some fish, Drew?
Possibly. This is kind of tricky there.
Yes!
Turtle in there. What?
Nothing, I thought I saw one.
Big ass turtle in there if you want that.
No, I don't want a turtle. As you guys can tell, if you watch my last video, my sound quality's a little bit better. And that kind of scares me, being by that right there.
What is it?
The runoff. That's just open right now, we'd be destroyed. No fish.
All right, here we go. Dude, look at this lane.
Yeah.
What is this? All right, let's get ready.
Oop, I see perch.
What's up?
I see perch already.
Well, I think the creek channel was that way. I think. Or was it that way?
Well, we need to pick one way because this is a little deep.
A little deep?
Yeah. Well, the first place didn't work out, so we're gonna go ahead and go try to hit up another place. This place, by the way, I'm not sure the address, looks bad to the bone for some bass fishing action. Bluegill everywhere. It's just too deep and too rocky for bow fishing.
Next place 15 minutes more.
Okay.
I don't know if there's anything.
I don't know, I gotta get my keys. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call grinding it out. Trying to find some fish. Listen to the El Lunkerzo over there being a complete psychopath as usual. Let's go find these bad boys, you know what I mean?
And off we go.
Holy shiitake mushrooms.
What's up?
Thought I was going in. I got no visible bottom.
Nervous?
No. I'm liking this. This is cool looking. Finally made it to a spot that looks promising over here. If you look at this, stuff looks wild, man. I've never been over here before, but it looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. Well, I don't know if you can see this, but my boots, they gave up on me. Look at it. It's flopping. The whole bottom missing. We're gonna keep going though. We're gonna get it. Slippery as huh? Really slippery. Really slippery. Slippery!
It's really slippery. Look at your boot.
Let's see if I can make it down here without busting on my soulless boot. Nope. Yeah, my ass is gonna be covered in that.
Move that thing.
What thing am I moving?
This thing is connected to you.
I can't move until you move because I'm gonna fall right into
I'm
you.
in my bag right there. This is bad. This is a horrible spot. This is actually kind of bad. Probably should go stay out
do you mean?
I mean, you see, are you gonna get down there?
Yeah, I'm getting down there.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm getting down there.
Oh.
Easy peasy. I don't think so. No. Finally found some, man. Okay, it's official. These boots are a piece of junk. There went the second one. Nice, dude. Good job, man. You deuced him.
I deuced him.
Or they say stoned him.
Stoned him. One shot, one kill right there. Look at that.
Ooh, right in the central nervous system, man. That's why he's not moving.
Dude, that was quick. He was just barely saw him moving in the grass.
Right in the central nervous system.
Dude.
Like, see, he's still breathing, but he ain't flopping.
He ain't feeling it. He ain't feeling no pain right now.
Nice, good job.
That's why you don't give up, guys. That's why you never give up. Good job, Jimmy.
That's probably that same exact one.
Good eyesight on that one, man.
Yep. Drew. I don't know. Yeah, I got him. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! 2 in the boat. Yep. He's about the same as yours. Time to hook up today's catch. Yours is still breathing. I thought that thing was done. Mr. Lunker's little invention here he's got going on. Getting the catch, dragging it with the carabiner. Garrett's talking about spinnerbait boxes and starter kits. Can't dance you into the video without dancing you out of the video.
Up in the club, VIP, P to the I to the T, yin to the yang. Up in this thing, D to the rock, my nigga came up in the cut, pouring it up, rolling it up, holding it up, ain't her.
Yes! Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Guns and Chicken Strips. It just goes to show you, never give up, keep on grinding, and you find the fish. We walked probably a good 3 to 4 miles, 4 different places. Came back to Old Faithful, but we walked a way down distance I'd never been to before. And it turned out good. I'm really digging this bow fishing thing. It's a lot of fun. Definitely gonna get a boat. Let's get a vote in the comments. Would you rather bank bow fishing or boat bow fishing? Because both are gonna happen. It just depends on how many views what video gets. Then we're gonna do more of that one. But let's get a vote in the comments. Would you rather see boat bow fishing or short or bank bow fishing? Let me know. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Guns and Chicken Strips. You guys are awesome. Love you. Keep on rocking. And as always, bro chachos, catch you tomorrow, big chickens.